Hello, my name is Nick Quinn.
And I'm Shane Vernier.
And I'm Connor Woods. We are the market analyst team at howtotrade.com, and together we're going to explain everything you need to know about trading the triple bottom pattern. So let's get started.
A triple bottom is a bullish reversal pattern, not especially common, certainly not as common as structures like a double bottom, which is very similar, except this is unique in the sense that it has three lows that cannot get through a level of support. We find them at the bottom of downtrends. When we do see them in price action, they are relatively reliable, simply because it's showing us that the market cannot get any lower. We're looking for three lows to connect with one support zone in itself, and then the neckline that's created between the two swing points, the swing high points between all of those three lows, that is the area that traders look to trade against and trade a reversal back to the upside. So let's take a quick look at exactly how we'd go about identifying it in the price action. So triple bottoms are certainly not as common as a double bottom, but when you do see them on a price chart, you can be pretty sure that the support level that the downtrend is trying to crack through is relatively strong, because the market has tried 3 times to get through down to the downside and has failed so far. So what we're looking for at the end of the downtrend is we're looking for the support points where the market then turns. We're looking for all of those to connect with the same support level. That's the really, really important factor. They all have to be at that same area. And then what we're looking for is we're looking to identify the swing high points which make up the areas between each of those support points. From there, what we would then do is draw in a resistance line. Even better if that resistance line then connects with an area of support in our original downtrend that took us to the low, and that would be the cue to then potentially trade to the upside once the market then breaches that level of resistance. As the triple bottom acts as a reversal signal, traders will look to get long this break and then trade it higher. It's a very simple, very beautiful pattern in technical analysis, but that is how we'd identify it in a price chart.
So let's have a look at an example how we can trade this triple bottom pattern on the chart. So what we're looking for essentially is number 1, number 2, and number 3, these 3 bottoms to come in place at the end of a downtrend, which signifies to us as traders that the trend is likely to reverse, and we want to get in on that breakout candle again. Now you may want to use an indicator with this, that's absolutely fine. We can use the RSI for this one, you can use MACD, you can use Fibonacci to confirm your bias here. But if I get my drawings on the chart, you can see that this is a market that was trending down, and we got the first bottom come in, the second bottom and the third bottom come in, and then we have this neckline here that we're waiting for that breakout above. Now you can see at the time when this first bottom started to come in, we can see that the RSI indicator was in oversold territory, which is an indication that there could be a trend shift coming. Now what we actually notice is when we get this breakout candle, which you can see here, what a trader might do is they may enter a long position, of course, at the end of the closure of the breakout candle. So we can go long around here. Now your stop losses, they can either be sitting below the triple bottom or maybe below a recent low. In this case we can use the recent low, but you may want to use this triple bottom trend line that we have coming into play. If you did use that, that's absolutely fine, because you can actually see that after we got this breakout, we still managed to get nearly a 3 risk reward trade, and if we were to use the recent low instead, then we can turn that into a 3.7 risk reward. Either way, that's how we can use that the indicators with the triple bottom and really get a nice trading opportunity for you using this chart pattern.
Here are the pros and cons for the triple bottom pattern. The triple bottom is simple and easy to identify in trading charts. It has a reliable chart pattern and a strong trend reversal indicator. When trading the triple bottom, there is a potential for high rewards. Also, very effective trading strategies incorporate the triple bottom if they're used in combination with other technical analysis indicators, such as the MACD and Fibonacci retracement levels. A few of the key drawbacks. The triple bottom is not a frequently occurring chart pattern. So if you're working on longer durations, say daily, weekly, and monthly charts, you may be waiting for quite some time for a triple bottom to actually form. And lastly, the triple bottom needs integration with other technical analysis tools in order to confirm the reversal. It does not function well as a standalone indicator. Now, let's review some of the key takeaways from the triple bottom pattern. Number one, the triple bottom pattern is a bullish reversal pattern that appears at the end of a pronounced downtrend. Number two, the chart pattern is characterized by three bottoms, followed by a price breakout above the neckline level. Number three, when using the triple bottom pattern, traders will be looking to enter a long trade once price rises above the neckline. A stop loss order should be placed slightly below the neckline. Number four, to develop an effective triple bottom trading strategy, it is important to combine the pattern with other tools like the MACD, RSI, or Fibonacci ratios. Now, if you want to learn more about the triple bottom pattern, be sure to check out the How to Trade Trading Academy inside our trading room. There, you'll find a longer form tutorial where we'll show you how to fit the triple bottom pattern into your own trading methodology. We'll then demonstrate how to take that plan and trade it against real market price action. You'll have everything you need to practice and gain valuable market experience. Then, once you're ready, feel free to join our How to Trade Funded Trader program.